Hey folks, this is Scott, and today we're going to look at this fantastic blood glucose meter. First, remove the test strip from the container and secure the cap. Next, you place it into the device. Next, I'm going to use an alcohol pad to wash my finger. Now let's go ahead and load the lancet device. I'm going to take off the top, insert the lancet. I'll put the top back on, pull the lever in the back, and you're good to go. It's loaded and ready. I'll gently press the lancet device to the tip of my finger, squeeze out a little bit of blood. I'll wipe that off with a tissue, squeeze out a little bit more. Then take your meter, allow the test strip to just touch the blood so it absorbs and you can get a reading. Just like that, wait a few seconds and you'll have your results. 134, not bad. So that's how you use the blood glucose meter.